Hi everyone. Now in this video today, I'm going to show you how to record a 30-second voiceover into Adobe Audition and then mix it with music to create a 30-second commercial. So this is kind of a supplement to what I've done in my class. So I'm going to go through this relatively quick. So as you can see, Adobe Audition is opened up right here. And the first thing I want to do when I open up the session is go to Preferences, and I'm going to go down here to where it says Audio Hardware. And I want to make sure that the default input is the particular microphone that I'm using. So in this case, I'm using a Yeti X, and that's the one I have plugged in. But if you're doing it through your computers, you might have built-in microphones. So you just want to make sure that it's aligned, because when you plug in a new microphone, it doesn't automatically take to it. So we'll hit OK. So this commercial I'm about to read is for Watson Realty Company Corporation. It's my friend Cindy Tomasetti up in Jacksonville, and she asked me to read this script for her. So down over here in Audition, I'm going to hit the little red button, and it's going to ask me to name the file, and I'm going to call it JVO_Watson. And we're going to go ahead and start recording. Now, before we do, as you read your script, if it's more comfortable for you to read it line by line or paragraph to paragraph, that's fine. You could tighten it up. Remember, it needs to be 30 seconds. And if you make a mistake, instead of starting all over again, just say the word pickup so you know where to pick up from. So as you can see now, we're recording. So this is Watson Realty. Hopefully, take one. Need a new house, but you don't want to leave the safety and comfort of your house? You stay in your PJs. Cindy Tomasetti at Watson Realty Corporation will home shop for you. Let Cindy do the driving. She'll send you a video you can watch anywhere you want without a mask or a haircut. Cindy Tomasetti has a pickup. Cindy Tomasetti has over 30 years worth of satisfied customers. So stay home and stay safe. Let Cindy Tomasetti at Watson Realty Corporation do the work for you. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and stop it. And here's our wave. I'll hit this arrow back to the beginning, and we'll give it a little bit of a play. So as you can see now, we're recording. So this is Watson Realty. Hopefully, take one. And there's our audio. So this is actually, you can see where it begins. So I'm going to drag this right to the beginning here. And it's very easy to edit audio in this particular waveform mode. All you have to do is hold down the left mouse button and just drag to the left or the right, whichever way. And when I hit the delete button, all the audio is going to shift to the left. There you go. And then we did this again at the end. Now you can see down here that this copy is 35 seconds. So we are a little bit over. So I may have to do it more than once, but let's just see. And the easiest thing to do is cut out, as you can see, spaces in between the waveform here. And that's my first choice to tighten this up. And we did have a pickup in here. So let's get rid of the pickup first. Need a new house, but you don't want to leave the safety and comfort of your house? You stay in your PJs. Cindy Tomasetti at Watson Realty Corporation will home shop for you. Let Cindy do the driving. She'll send you a video you can watch anywhere you want without a mask or a haircut. Cindy Tomasetti has a pickup. So this is our pickup point. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight this is where the pickup is. And we'll delete it out. Cindy Tomasetti has over 30 years worth of satisfied customers. So stay home and stay safe. Let Cindy Tomasetti at Watson Realty Corporation do the work for you. So now I'm about 32 seconds, so I do have to cut out some of these pauses here. So I'm going to go back to the beginning by clicking this arrow here, and I'm going to hit the plus button to zoom in to see where I can cut out some spaces. So obviously at the beginning here, we can eliminate this. Need a new house. And then just cut out a little bit of this. But you don't want to leave the safety and comfort of your house? Here we go, another piece over here. PJs. Cindy. Cut this out here because these are some unusually long
Cindy
pauses.
Tomasetti at Watson Realty Corporation will home shop for you. Let's
cut this out over here. I'm just going to go through this and cut out some of these pauses. And now if we go to the end, we're at 29.1. You can see down here, which is good. Now your promo needs to be 30 seconds, no longer. But it doesn't necessarily mean that your voiceover needs to be 30 seconds. Your voiceover could be 29 seconds. You probably don't want to go any less than 28, especially if you're putting in music. Obviously, you just can't be over 30. So my voiceover is good. And you can see in the menu here, we have an effects drop-down menu. I'm just going to show you a couple of things that you may want to put in here depending on the quality of your recording. If we go to amplitude and compression, one that I use a lot is multi-band compressor. And if you click on this, you can equalize it by enhancing lows, broadcast, classical master, and stuff like that. I'm not going to do any of that right now, but one thing I do want to do is go back again to effects, amplitude and compression, and I'm going to go to normalize. So this actually will bring your audio level up to where it needs to be if it's recorded a little bit too low. So I'm going to hit apply, and it made it a little bit louder.
need a new house, but you don't want to leave the safety and comfort of.
So now we're good to go with this. And I'm going to go ahead and go to File, Save As, because I want to save the voiceover. And here it is, my voiceover. I'm going to hit Browse to make sure I'm saving it in the right place. And I have it over here, Watson Realty Corporation. And I'm calling this Jay's voiceover. Watson, we're going to, and you have the option here too of the file format you want to save it in, whether you want to save it as a WAV file, which is a lossless file, or if you want to save it as an MP3. So we'll just leave this as a WAV file, hit save, and then again, save over here. So we're good to go. So now it's time for us to mix in our music. So I'm going to go ahead and switch over to up here, the multi-track view. So I'll click on this, and just like when you're in Premiere Pro, it's going to ask you to create the session or the project before you go into it. So I'm going to call this Watson. Browse, make sure I'm in the right folder, which I am, Watson Realty Corporation. Hit choose, hit OK. And you can see now we have a multi-track view. And also over here, you can see the voiceover I recorded was brought over. So I'm going to grab my voiceover and I'm going to drag it into the multi-track view. I'm going to actually make this a little bit bigger so you guys can see this. You have many tracks here you can create. You can add more tracks. In this case, we're only using 2, so I'm just going to leave the 2 on there. So now I want to bring in the music. Couple ways to do it. Actually, 3 that I can think of. You can go to File, Open. You can double click in here and bring in the music, or you could just drag it in. And in this particular case, I'm going to use this particular file. It's called Positive Outlook, and hit Open, and it brings it in over here. Now, if we had opened this in the waveform view, it would have brought it back over also. So I'm going to grab the clip, and I'm going to drag it down over here. And it's giving me a message that they're saying that the sample rate is different, and it's you just click OK, and it straightens everything out for you. Bring this up a little bit here, and I'll hit play.
Need a new house, but you don't want to leave the safety and comfort.
And you can hear the music's a little bit too loud. So the easiest way to adjust the volume is you can see this yellow bar over here, volume. I'm just going to hold down the left mouse button and drag it down. And I'm probably just going to go ahead and play my voiceover while it's going so I could get the proper mix.
Of your house, you stay in your PJs. Cindy Tomasetti at Watson Realty Corporation will home shop for you. Let Cindy do the driving. She'll send you a video you can watch anywhere you want without a mask or a haircut. Cindy Tomasetti has over 30 years worth of satisfied customers.
So that sounds good to me. So now that I'm done with that and my mix is complete, I'm going to go up here to multi-track. I'm going to go to mix down session to a new file. I'm going to click entire session, and it's going to mix it together and bring me back to the waveform view.
Need a new house, but you don't want to leave the safety and comfort of your house?
And then play it through, make any last minute adjustments. Then I'll go File, Save As, and we're going to call this, instead of Watson Mixdown, we're going to call it You Stay Home. Make sure we're in the proper place, hit OK, and you are good to go. And that's all there is to it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And until next time, this is Jay Sandhouse saying so long from the Sunshine State.